a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Court grants Emefiele 50 million bail. Moving on, we have amidst the withheld salaries, federal government said that they will only pay half to non-academic staff. All right, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back update as it dey hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn on notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our news so that now you go be the first to watch them. Now, people no be small matter the apple. Now, the High Court sitting in Ikeja, Lagos has granted bail to the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, in the sum of 50 million naira. In his ruling on the bail application on Friday, the judge, Ramo Oshodi, admitted that Emefiele on bail with two surety. You guys can recall that Emefiele is facing trial in Lagos on a 26-count charge bordering on abuse of office. So, earlier on, Emefiele had pleaded not guilty to a 26-count charge bordering on abuse of office brought against him by the Economic Financial Crime Commission (EFCC). Meanwhile, a Lagos State Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja on Monday reminded the former governor of the CBN in the custody of the EFCC following his arraignment. So Justice Rama Oshodi made the remand order after Emefiele and his co-defendant Henry Omoile pleaded not guilty to a 26-count charge bordering on abuse of office brought against them by the EFCC. So they said Emefiele would have to remain behind bar until Thursday when the judge will determine the bail application. So the judge, however, reminded Omoile in the custody of the Nigeria Correction Services. So before the court's ruling, Emefiele's lawyer, Abdulkalim Ladilawa, had urged the court to admit his client to bail self-recognition or on the most liberal terms. The lawyer particularly urged the court to impose the same bail condition earlier granted to the defendant by Justice Hamzat Muaz of the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja, and that he be released to his lawyers pending the perfection of the bail terms. So the EFCC lawyer, Rotimi Onyedepo's son, did not oppose the bail application, but he urged the judge to impose conditions that would compel the defendant to court for the trial. The defendants were accused of accepting gratification, accepting gift through agents, corruption, and fraudulent properties receipts. He was also accused of conferring a corrupt advantage on his associate contrary to the Corrupt Practice Act of 2000 in charge filed on April 3rd by the EFCC prosecutor Rotimi Onyedepo. Emefiele was also being prosecuted by the EFCC at the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja over allegation of fraudulent financial transactions during his time in Lagos. He was also accused of conferring a corrupt advantage on his associate contrary to the Corrupt Practice Act of 2000 in charge filed on April 3rd by the EFCC prosecutor Rotimi Onyedepo's son. So guys, with this thing, now the court have granted 50 million naira bail. Hey, but it will be small matter. So guys, I would like to know what you think about this matter in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The federal government may have foreclosed the possibility of university workers being fully paid salaries withheld following the industrial action they embarked on in 2022. So the hint to this effect was dropped by the Minister of Education, Prof. Tabri Mama, in an interview on Channel TV Politics. For an academic staff who are members of the Academic Staff Union of University ASU and Congress of University Academy, they were paid 4 months of the 8 months salaries. Member of the National Association of Academic Technologists, 5.5 months salary on hold. The Senior Staff Association of Nigeria University and the Non-Academic Staff Union of Education and Allied Institution have 4 months salary pending. Now they said there is a court judgment on no work, no pay. As to getting 4 months, pay was actually a discretion and decision on the part of the president. So it doesn't automatically transfer to the Non-Academic Staff Union and the Senior Staff Association of Nigeria University, but the matter is under consideration. That is what the Minister of Education said. He was asked to give a time frame for payment of the non-academic university staff. The minister said that he don't think it is safe to put a time on it, but it's safer to say that they are on it and they are pushing. But in any case, the non-academic staff were not on strike for the same period as the academic staff, about 4 months or so. So if they are getting payment, it is going to be half of that payment if the president will follow his precedent with the academic staff. The minister, who debunked claim of discrimination against the non-teaching staff, stated that cannot be right. There is no rating, that these are people working in the same time. They are doing different things, but all working towards the same goal. But he believed that what happened was a communication problem, that it wasn't deliberate to conclude them from that benefit. While speaking on the matter in chat with the Vanguard, the leader of the National Association of Academic Technologists, the Non-Academic Staff Union, and the Senior Staff Association of Nigeria University said that they were waiting for the government to even pay half of the weighted salaries for the union to decide what next to do. Ibe Junwoko, the national president of the National Association of Academic Technologists, said that if that is what they want to do, let them pay first, then they will know what to do. That if they pay ASU member 4 months, then they expect government to pay them 3 months. That from that point, they can move on to the next stage. He was asked what would happen if the government refuses to pay more than half of the salary. Okoma said time would tell. Also, the National Secretary of the Non-Academic Staff Union, Peter Adeyemi, said that they don't have a reaction for now, unfortunately, that the union will meet and take appropriate position on that. Chairman of the Senior Staff Association of Nigeria University chapter of the University of Lagos, UNILA, Olubenga, said that let them pay them first, and there is the saying that they don't reject money when it's already in your pocket, that if they pay them 2 months now, that they will wait and see. As we all know, there are many unions in the system that if one begins to complain again about the issue, others won't keep quiet, and the government cannot answer one and leave the others. So you guys can recall when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had last October given the directive that part of the weighted salaries be paid, following which academic staff were paid 4 months in February. So the exclusion of non-teacher staff led to a series of warning strike by them last month, and they have given the government till the end of this month to also pay them. My people, no be small matter. Now the Union Staff Association of Nigeria, National Association of Academic Technologists, and the Non-Academic Staff Union of Education don't come and talk say make government first pay first. They've replied the government, make government pay first before they will see what else they can do, before they will see any move they can take. So my people go like me kind of what I think about this matter in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying with us. We do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to Edu page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when there's to drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trends and the latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying with us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying with us. On this note, we have come to the end of the segment. Like, comment, your awareness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.